Titan PowerLiner 2850 is designed to withstand the rigors of steady, everyday line striping on pavement, grass, and turf. It's the perfect intermediate line striper for users looking to spray with one gun or two gun configurations. The PowerLiner 2850 offers the industry's best and longest 4-year warranty, along with offering the only two-gun model in its class. Next, let's point out the major components of the PowerLiner 2850. On the right handlebar, we have the gun trigger. On the left handlebar, you have the front wheel caster trigger, front wheel caster assembly, parking brake, siphon hose, return line, 126cc Subaru engine, prime spray valve, pressure control knob, tip and guard assembly, LX82 spray gun, gun holder assembly, fluid hose, and tires. Now take a look at all of the specs. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video.